In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Calendly to ClickFunnels. First, let's get started inside your ClickFunnels account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a sidebar with different options. Look for the one labeled Workspace Settings and click on it. This is where you manage all the behind-the-scenes settings for your workspace, including integrations. After you open Workspace Settings, look again at the left sidebar inside this area. Here, you should see an option called Integrations. Go ahead and click that. This page will show you a list of different apps and services that can connect directly to ClickFunnels. Take a moment to scroll through if you need to, just to get familiar with what's available. For this tutorial, we're looking specifically for Calendly. Once you find Calendly in the list of integrations, click on it. When you do, a pop-up window will appear. This pop-up will ask you to log into your Calendly account. Enter your usual Calendly login details, then confirm. After logging in, Calendly will ask if you want to allow ClickFunnels to access your Calendly account. This is a standard permission step so the two platforms can share information like your event types and availability. Make sure to review the permission message, and when you're comfortable, click to allow or authorize the connection. When you confirm that, your ClickFunnels page will reload. After the reload, you should now see that your Calendly account is connected within the integrations area. At this point, don't forget to click the Save button so the connection is stored properly. Once the integration is saved, more fields will appear for you to configure your meeting settings. This is where you can get more specific about how the Calendly integration behaves inside ClickFunnels. You'll see options such as the meeting name, host and co-host details, the duration of the call, the time zone, the date type, start date, end date, and other related settings. Take your time here and set these according to how you like to run your calls. For example, double check that the time zone matches the one you normally use and that the duration lines up with your Calendly event length. When you're finished adjusting all these settings, scroll down if needed and click Save at the bottom right. That's it. Your Calendly is now linked to ClickFunnels and ready to use in your funnels.